Makadini, welcome back to Shona Land, and in this video I'll be teaching you another common Shona phrase that you're gonna use when you're parting from your loved one or from your friend. Okay, so the phrase that I'm gonna teach you today is see you later. See you later. In Shona, it's ndinozo kuona. Ndinozo kuona. Ndinozo kuona. Okay, so if someone says see you later, or in Shona says ndinozo kuona, this is how you respond. You respond saying zvakanaka. Zvakanaka. To recap, if someone says ndinozo kuona, which is see you later, you respond saying zvakanaka, which is like it is well. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, to subscribe to our channel, and to leave a comment. If you do have any video requests, please leave them down in the comment section, and we will definitely work on those videos to bring you more new content. Thank you for watching. Ndatenda.